Hello and welcome to Dating for Beginners. Today I am here with a new video on how you can credit card login in the JS Bank. So if you are new, you're subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. After you have successfully opened the web browser of your choice, on the top of the web browser there is a search bar. You just have to click on the search bar and write JS Bank login option. So when you have successfully written it, you just have to press enter in the keyboard and this web search result will be shown, and in the first search result there is JS Internet Banking. So you just have to click on the first web search result. After you have clicked here, it will open you to the JS Bank login portal. So here you need to enter your user ID. After that you need to enter this 6 character and you can log in successfully here. So your online banking account and credit card account are same. Most people get confused in this section, but you don't get confused here. Alright, so when you have successfully logged in into the JS Bank, then there will be a credit card section where you can go and you can activate your credit card, you can apply for the credit card and do any services related to the credit card provided to you by the JS Bank. So this is how you can easily credit card login into the JS Bank. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.